In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your wallet address on Coinbase. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to select, and how to safely copy the right address so you can receive crypto without any hiccups. First, open Coinbase. You can do this on the mobile app or on the website in your browser. Sign in as you normally would. Take a moment to make sure you're on the official Coinbase app or site and that you're using a secure internet connection. If you've set up two-factor authentication, complete that step as well to keep your account protected. Once you're on your home page, look for the option labeled Receive or Receive Crypto and tap or click it. This is the section Coinbase uses to generate the correct deposit details for your account. If you're using the app, it's usually on the main screen or under the Wallet tab. On the website, you'll see it near your asset list. Before we go further, quick note. I've placed the official Coinbase app download link and the website link at the top of the description for easy access. If you need to install the app or open the site, grab it there. Next, choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Each coin has its own unique address format, so make sure the asset you select matches what the sender intends to send. For example, a Bitcoin address is only for Bitcoin. Don't use an Ethereum address for Bitcoin and vice versa. Now, pick the correct network for that cryptocurrency. This is crucial. Bitcoin uses the Bitcoin network. Ethereum and many tokens use the Ethereum network, often labeled ERC20. Some assets may support multiple networks, and fees and compatibility can differ. Always confirm which network the sender plans to use so that the address you copy matches it exactly. When the address is displayed, tap Copy Address to place it on your clipboard. You may also see a QR code. That's just a scannable version of the same address. But copying works perfectly for pasting into a form or a message. As a quick safety habit, glance at the first and last few characters of the address so you can recognize it when you paste. Finally, paste your wallet address wherever you need to receive crypto, whether that's in an exchange withdrawal form, a wallet app, or a message to the sender. Double check that the coin and the network match on both sides. Sending to the wrong network can result in a permanent loss of funds, so a quick review here is worth it. That's it. You've copied your wallet address on Coinbase safely and correctly. Thanks for watching.